Time is given weight through countless strikes, endless welds, and repeated polishing. As the tide of the era surges ahead, the future is being reshaped. Guided by vision, we discern direction. Driven by innovation, we push beyond boundaries. We gather strength amid change and define new heights through progress. At this moment, our beliefs are aligned, course is set, and we move toward a farther horizon. "2025 is a year tested by the times and defined by action. In the face of a complex environment and waves of uncertainty, we held our course with strategic resolve and broke new ground through continuous innovation. Through every difficult decision and every step upward, our convictions became clearer and our capabilities steadily matured. Looking back, each step reflects responsibility and courage, and together they have built powerful momentum for the journey ahead." In an era driven by technology, Navector takes patents as its foundation and innovation as its engine, continuously breaking through key technological frontiers. From core R&D to large-scale delivery, we have built a stable and efficient technical system, turning complexity into reliability and translating cutting-edge technology into real value. Serving customers worldwide, Navector connects global needs with outstanding quality and ever-evolving capabilities, honoring long-term trust and defining higher standards for the industry's future. This year, Navector people moved tirelessly across time and space. Late-night lights, intense rounds of debugging, journeys across cities and borders, and the rigor and perseverance at installation sites together form the most authentic backdrop of our dedication. Alongside the days of working shoulder to shoulder, there were also moments of laughter and unity during team activities. It is this professionalism, resilience, and mutual trust that transform individual efforts into collective strength, driving Navector steadily forward. Looking ahead, Navector moves forward with technology as its sail and innovation as its helm. Every breakthrough marks a new beginning. Every effort carries belief. Together, we gather strength and move toward a broader, brighter, and more remarkable future.